Hello. That is not Sam's age on the screen. Sam is exactly 6 weeks old today. Today is really June 4th, 1991. And Sambo is in a very good mood. It was Nana Joan and Aunt Danny. By the time I got in here, Sam was a little mad, as you can see. So, we are going to say goodnight, mix up a bottle, and call it a day. Wanted to get a little of Sam's 6-week birthday on videotape. Say goodnight, Sam.